Now, taking the bassoon apart is just the opposite of how you put it together. First, you take the reed off. Next, you take the bocal off, handling it by the curvature of the metal, gently twisting. Now, when you play the bassoon, there's a lot of condensation that accumulates, so you want to keep the bassoon upright, even when you're not playing. Next, you take off the bell. Then, if your instrument has a lock, you unlock it. You take off the long joint, gently twisting. What's left is the wing joint and the boot joint. These are the two joints that you will need to swab through. Now, as you swab out one joint, you have to secure the other joint because you don't want the condensation to go into the pads itself, because that will mold and it's not good. Now, when swabbing out your instrument, just like other instruments, you put the weight of the swab into the larger hole of the wing joint. You just put it through and then pull it through like so. Next is the boot joint. It's a little bit trickier, but again, you put the weighted end of the swab down the larger hole, and then you feed it through the U part of the boot joint, and then you pull it through. And that is how you disassemble your bassoon.